Want the faster data fetching? In this SwiftUI tutorial, learn how to use Async Let to fetch users and comment concurrently. Improve app performance and user experience, perfect for developers looking to boost their SwiftUI concurrency skills. This is the app we will create. As you see, when I click on the Start Task button, it retrieves users and comments at the same time and then displays the information within a list. And this is all done concurrently using Async Let. It's using two different API JSON payloads and URLs. We will now create our content view that will call the methods within our list view model to populate our GUI elements on our content view. So the first thing we need to do is, after line 13, type the following: at state private var view model equals this view model. So we create a new instance of our view model. The next thing we need to do on line 18 is to add a vstack. Our vstack will include a button with the text Start Task, and then we have a task. Within our task, we call viewModel.performTask, and this will be to start the concurrent fetching of users and comments. Await viewModel.performTask. On lines 24, we just add a bit of padding. And then, just to keep the user informed, we just show a little progress view. If view model is loading, so if it's loading, it's true, then progress view loading. Just add a bit of padding. My previews are not working properly because my Mac is very slow. Let me build it again. Because really, I need a new Mac. List viewModel.users. So now we're going through the users array to populate the text elements. vstack alignment.leading text user.name. It gets the user's name from the array, and the font type will be headline. Text username. Username. font, sub-headline, foreground color will be grey for the text. I think we're missing, oh, this comma is in the wrong place. There should be another closing bracket after username, comma, and the bracket at the end should be deleted. Text, email, user, email, font, dot, subheadline, dot, foreground color is grey. So the next thing we need to do is to display the fetch comments within a list. It's a bit similar to what we just done for the users, so we can just copy lines 31 to 38. Copy it again. Yeah, my previews are still not working. So we need to change users on lines 40 to dot comments, and that should be comment, comment, dot name, username, that should be email, that should be email, that should be comment, and within the last text element, that should be comment, body, sub-headline should be dot body. And now let's run it to see if it works or not. Just trying to run at the moment. So let's test the button, start task. And as you can see, it's retrieved our data, our user data, and our comments data using Async Let with concurrent programming. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.